Gardner here, and if you're looking to one of the biggest launches of the summer of 2026 and possibly the rest of the year, where you can make some really nice commissions, you are in the right spot with Traffic Ignition. Now, one of the things that everyone needs for their business offers, obviously, is traffic, and you can easily earn commissions not only on traffic, but you can get some fast start commissions, and you can also get some team growth commissions. So there is a 5x5 matrix that's inside of and on the back end of Traffic Ignition, that's part of the regular monthly membership. You're going to earn $5 per person down 5 levels. And so if you think about that first level, there's 5 people. That next level, there's 25, then it goes to 125. That multiplies really, really quickly. So even if you only had your first 3 levels down, let's say you only had 100 people in the matrix, you're going to earn $500 for that, which is a heck of a lot better than some other programs that are out there. Now, side note, I still have memberships in some of those other programs because I like the supplements that I get from them. You might know who I'm talking about, but the key thing is you can earn more with the Traffic Ignition membership. The other thing I would highly recommend is you upgrade and you take on that pro level. You're going to earn access to some more training, some more things that will come out, have some more benefits. And what's going to happen is it's going to be a one-time $50 payment. Anytime you sponsor someone who then becomes a pro, you are going to earn a $40 fast start commission. Now, let's say there's someone you sponsor who sponsors someone else, and neither of those people upgrade to pro, but then the following person upgrades to pro. What happens is that amount will pass all the way up to the next person who has the pro membership, which could in theory be you. Now, if I sponsor you and you don't get pro, but then you sponsor someone else who gets pro, it's going to skip you and it's going to go to me. And obviously I will appreciate that, but obviously I would like you to benefit from those commissions as well. The third option, and one of the main other options for earning commissions, obviously is going to be traffic, as I mentioned in the beginning. That works down multiple levels as well. You can earn a variety of different commissions, whether someone buys the basic package all the way up to the platinum package, spreading that out between the team. At the end of the month, there's going to be some team matching bonuses. So obviously those are going to work on and are based on your rank, but also are based on how many people you have personally sponsored. And so if you want to learn a little bit more about that, if you go into the ranks and badges button, you can go down, and when you scroll down, if you have not sponsored anybody yet, you are at the ready level. You do not earn obviously a percentage because you haven't sponsored anyone. You might still earn off the team size, but you're not going to earn any matches. If you have personally sponsored one member into Traffic Ignition, you now are going to earn a 10% match on what they earned or what that referral earned on their matrix size. As you continue to grow, you've sponsored 3 people, you got a team of 10 or more, or you ranked up and bought some silver traffic. Notice you can actually rank up to this by to a starter by buying the bronze. I would highly recommend buying some traffic anyways. You might get your first sale, or it might be a sale in another opportunity or another program that you're promoting. So you're back to the builder. You've had 3 personally sponsored. Now it's going to be a 20% match on the people that you have referred. If you were a producer, 5 or more, team of 20, or have purchased the gold wholesale traffic, you're going to reach and rank up to 30%. So the way I see it, obviously verify with support. Okay, don't quote me on this. I'm just trying to interpret it myself. But for example, if you purchased the gold but only had 2 members, you wouldn't normally qualify for the builder yet at even 20%. Okay, but because you buy the gold traffic package, you get the bump to 30%. So not only are you going to get traffic, you're going to start to build some leads, and you're going to earn a higher commission. Okay, right now that's the position I'm in. Okay, I have about 8 personally sponsored, and I have about close to 70 on my team. So I'm very, very close. I'm just going to see what's happening here. I'm going to probably buy some traffic as well, but I would have to buy the platinum package if I wanted to go up that high. I might even be able to do just in the next couple of days without having to buy the platinum package, be able to reach this and achieve this level. So stay up to date on how things are progressing. But again, back to this, Leader has 10 personally enrolled members or 50 50 active, or excuse me, in addition to 50 active on the team, or you can upgrade with a platinum wholesale package. That's going to allow you to get 40% matching bonuses when you do start to sponsor people on the size of that person's team. Finally, what you want to reach, where we all want to be, is at the Titan level, earning a 50% matching bonus or matching check on those people. And imagine doing that 20 different times, okay? Matching 20 different people. Let's say you sponsor 50 people. That means you're going to match 50% on 50 different people, and likely you'll have a team well over 250. So all you have to do is take action, continue to share the membership with others, continue to rank up, and continue to make more money with Traffic Ignition as you build your list. So again, this has been Dave Gardner. Looking forward to seeing your success, building your list, and having some good sales over time as we continue to rank up with Traffic Ignition. Take care.